How to find your full Instagram search history. Hello guys, this is Atticus back with another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find your full Instagram search history. Now let's get started. First, open up your Instagram. After you open your Insta, just go to your profile section on the bottom right. After you're there, tap on the three lines on the top right. Now after you're here, go to Account Center that's under your account, and this will basically be your Meta account center. So tap on it, and after you're there, scroll down till you see Account Settings. Now under Account Settings, you'll need to find your information and permissions. So tap on it, and after you tap on it, you will see Search History right there. Now select Search History, and here if you have multiple linked accounts, you'll have to choose your account. So just tap on your Instagram profile, and after you do that, you will see all of your search history. Now here you can see your search history for the past 30 days. You can also sort it according to newest to oldest or oldest to newest. So yeah, that is basically how you find your full Insta search history, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.